Alright guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be improving our app, be changing the colors. I'll teach you guys about colors and then how to change your text here, style your text here. So guys, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Let's get started. So here you can have your background color, which you take the color property, take the colors dot, and here we can give it any color we want. And give it, let's choose a color. Let me say okay, let's take green, and then save this and hot restart, not hot reload, sorry, we hot restart, and then you see the result. It will start soon. Let's wait for it. And here it is, the color changed for our app bar. So let's also try to change the color of the text. So it will be different here. We'll come inside the text, and then we have something called the style, and then get, which you take property of text style, and inside this text style you can change our first of all, before we change the text, let's style our button first of all. So give it a background color of, let's also say, colors dot green, and if we sorry, there should be a comma here so that Flutter will stop shouting. And if we restart this, let's wait for it, and restarted. Okay, yeah, so this is it. Also, these colors have their strength. If you want to add a strength to your color, let's say just add this square bracket, and I can give this green a 200, and if you restart this, let's see, did it change? Exactly, so that's it. So the highest you can get is 800, which is, let's see it in action, 800, and restarting now. So and this is it. You can see that it is thicker than the app bar color. So in our text, let's now style our text. We have something like the font size, which you take a number double, let's say 50, and then okay, let's see it. Wow, so sorry about that. I'm styling my click button. No, this is not what I want to style actually, so let me just delete this and leave it like this. So we want to style our child here in the center. So come here, press style, and take property of the text style, which you have here, and then check font size 50. Don't forget to add your comma here, and let's restart. Let's see it. Alright, so also we have other properties here called font weight, and we have something called font weight dot bold. Let's try making it bold. Save it. Oh sorry, I'm supposed to alt restart, and you see it to become bold. If you want to change your font family, there is a way you do it. You go into your pop spec, then visit Google Font, and then visit the website Google Font, and then copy the font, but download the font. But there is a website called pop.dev where you get your Flutter packages, and these packages are actually what make Flutter, they make Flutter easy for us. We we don't have to do some things from scratch again. So in this video, I'll be adding this Google font dependency, and I'll be showing you guys how to use it. So how to install, can run Flutter pub add Google font in your terminal, but yeah, I'll just be copying this line, this Google fonts line, and then pasting it under my dependencies. So I'll come here and paste it here, and then I'll save this and run Flutter pub, which will get the dependency in a few seconds. And now our dependency has been installed. You can see it, process finished. So now it's time to use the Google font in our Flutter code. Let's just cut out this text style. Sorry about that. Cut this out, Ctrl X, and then in front of our style, let's take the Google font property and the dot here. We'll notice that the Google font package here has been imported. So let's just choose a font. Let me take this one called Aladdin, check it out, and then we have a text style property. Then paste our text style there, and then let's reach that. Let's check this out, and here it is, guys. So you can see your font changed. So you guys can mess around with the Google font, change it, use different types, can add more text, yeah, use different fonts for it. And okay guys, so this is where we'll stop today. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, you can leave your comments down below, and if you like, share me a link to your GitHub repository of this code, and I can see the different fonts you use, the different styles, your different apps. So guys, I'll see you in the next lesson.